Welcome my dear students. Today we will solve two competency based questions based on areas related to circles. Question number 11. There are three concentric circles. Length of the tangent to the middle circle drawn from a point on the outer circle is 7 centimeter. Find the area of the shaded region. तो ये जो है these are three concentric circles and we have to find the area of this shaded region. So we will find out the radius of middle circle and then outer circle. Then we'll find the area of this outer circle and the middle circle, then subtract. So we'll get the area of this shaded region. So solution, let three concentric circles with center O, let a point P on the outer circle, P point. A tangent is drawn from P to the middle circle meets at Q. यहाँ से ये टेंजेंट डाला जो Q पर मिलता है. Given PQ is equal to 7 centimeter. Angle OQP is equal to 90 degree. Why? Because the tangent at any point of a circle is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact. Let OQ is equal to x सेंटीमीटर. ये हमने OQ को हमने x सेंटीमीटर ले लिया. Now in triangle OQP by Pythagoras theorem, OP square is equal to OQ square plus QP square. So OP square is equal to OQ square plus PQ square by Pythagoras theorem. So OP square is equal to 7 square plus x square. This is equation 1. So area of outer circle is equal to pi r2 square is equal to pi into OP square is equal to pi 7 square plus x square, equation 2. And area of the middle circle is equal to pi r1 square is equal to pi x square, equation 3. So area of shaded region is equal to pi r2 square minus pi r1 square. So is equal to pi 7 square plus x square minus pi x square is equal to pi into 49 plus pi x square minus pi x square is equal to 49 pi. Now we will do the next question. Question number 12. Arcs are drawn from the vertices of an equilateral triangle with same radius 7 centimeter. Find the area of the shaded region. So this is the triangle, equilateral triangle, and arcs are drawn from vertices A, from B, from C with the same radius 7 centimeter. Now we have to find the area of this shaded region. So solution, area of shaded region is equal to area of triangle ABC minus area of three sectors, 1 sector, 2 and 3. Now area of triangle ABC is equal to under root 3 by 4 side square because it is an equilateral triangle. Radius of R is equal to 7 centimeter. Therefore side of triangle is equal to 2 into 7 is equal to 14 centimeter. हम फिगर से देखते हैं कि ये इसका मिडिल पॉइंट है और आर्क लेंथ ये 7 है और ये भी 7 है, तो इसलिए साइड लेंथ इज इक्वल टू 14 सेंटीमीटर. Therefore area of the triangle ABC is equal to under root 3 by 4 into 14 square is equal to under root 3 into 49 centimeter square. Now area of three sectors is equal to 3 into area of one sector AED. ये AED एक सेक्टर का एरिया is equal to 3 theta upon 360 degree into pi r square. Now put the values. So 3 into 60 degree upon 360 degree into 22 upon 7 into 7 square. Here the value of theta is 60 degree because it is a equilateral triangle. Therefore its angles are equal to 60 degree, 60 degree, 60 degree. सो इज इक्वल टू 11 इंटू 7 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर। इससे इसको डिवाइड किया, फिर 3 से 6 को डिवाइड किया, फिर जो है इसको 11 टाइम्स डिवाइड किया, 7 से 7 को डिवाइड किया, तो आंसर आया 11 इंटू 7 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर। Therefore, area of shaded region is equal to 49 under root 3 minus 77 is equal to 7 कॉमन ले लिया, तो ब्रैकेट में बचा 7 इंटू 1.732 माइनस 11, यहाँ अंडर रूट 3 की वैल्यू रख दी, तो इक्वल टू 7 12.124 माइनस 11 is equal to 7 into 1.124 is equal to 7.868 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर। इसके अतिरिक्त आपके पास कोई ऐसा क्वेश्चन है जो आप सॉल्व नहीं कर पा रहे हैं तो आप कमेंट्स में लिखिए, मैं उसका वीडियो बना के अपलोड कर दूंगा। और आप सजेशन दे सकते हैं कि आगे वीडियो किस टॉपिक या चैप्टर पर बनाई जाएं। विद दिस बेस्ट ऑफ लक, थैंक यू।